Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a clear ice on a budget. Now as you see, I got an ice cube here, super clear. Alright, so this video was a request from one of the subscribers. Alright, let's go. Now all we need is a nice cooler, small enough to fit in your freezer, a hammer, and a serrated knife. And the way this works, we're going to put it in the freezer with the lid off, and it's going to start freezing from the top to bottom because it's insulated. It's going to push all the impurities down, so you're going to end up with clear ice on the top and all the impurities on the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to start by filling it up with water, and I'm using filtered water for this. And we're going to put this in the freezer for 24 hours. Alright, so it's been in the freezer for 24 hours. Now it's time to take it out. Flip it over. Looks pretty clear. And the water that just came off, that one is all the water that has been pushed to the bottom, which has all the impurities. And if you forget to take it out after 24 hours, the whole thing is gonna freeze. Now that's a little more work. So now you gotta cut the bottom part where it's all cloudy. Now I'm just gonna grab the hammer and make the edges a little smoother. And as you can see, the ice is pretty clear. I can see my hand on the other side. Alright, so to store them, I'm just gonna put it into a nice bag and put it in the freezer until I need it. And really quick, I wanna show you the difference between the ice that we just made and the one you get from your home refrigerator. Alright, so the first one is the one I get from my home refrigerator. As you can see, it's really cloudy. Now this one is the one that we just made using the technique I show you. It's a huge difference. Alright, let's make 2 drinks really quick so I can show you how the ice looks in the drinks. So I'm gonna start with a whiskey on the rocks. I'm gonna use a big ice cube. As you can see, it's really clear. Alright, so for the next drink, I'm gonna make a gin and tonic using a different ice shape. I'm just gonna tap it out with tonic water. And you barely can see the ice inside. And I almost forgot the lime on my gin and tonic. And that's how you make clear ice on a budget. Now if you guys got some value out of this video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give me some thumbs up, and as always, until the next one, cheers!